Taylor Swift just pulled off like some kind of hat trick. Every single track on her new album landed in the top 12 of the Billboard Top 100 in the same week. I mean, that's like crazy town. Now, how does she keep her fans obsessed and loyal and ready to buy the next thing the second it drops? And what if I told you your winery could use the exact same strategies? Swifties and winos unite. This one is for us all. Welcome to the Email Mavens YouTube channel, the place for winery owners and marketing pros who want to sell more wine online by sending better marketing emails. I'm Erica Walter, founder and CEO of the Email Mavens, and while I am not an OG Swiftie, I have been listening to the life of a showgirl on repeat for weeks by the time this airs. So while I haven't been on her fan bus for the history of her career, I can tell from just the last few albums, Taylor's not just releasing music. She's creating eras. Every color palette, lyric, photo shoot, every font choice tells a story. And her fans, they don't just listen, they belong. So let's talk about what she's doing that wineries can totally steal. Every Taylor Swift album is its own universe. Red, 1989, Reputation. Each one has a mood, a visual, a signature sound. Wineries, you have this opportunity with every single vintage. Instead of sending another fall release email, build a seasonal era. Give it a vibe, a story, a playlist even. Your customers should feel the mood of the wine before they even click buy. Taylor drops Easter eggs everywhere. In the liner notes, in her outfits, Instagram captions. Everything she puts out there is like an interactive treasure hunt that keeps her fans engaged between albums. Your winery can do the same. Hide clues in your emails. Tease an upcoming release. Make your customers feel like insiders. When people have to kind of decode what's next for you, they bond with it. They're invested in it. Taylor re-recorded her old albums to take back ownership, and her fans turned it into a movement. Wineries can bring that same energy, maybe less the litigious part, by re-releasing past vintages and telling the story of a wine's evolution. Make it your Winemaker's version. You're not repeating history, you're reinventing it in the context of today. Every Taylor song feels personal, even when it's about something universal. That's the secret. Like, I feel like she sees me sometimes when she's writing songs. I'm like, oh, how does she know that? So in your winery, stop writing tasting notes and start writing feeling notes. What moment does this wine belong in? Who is it for? When your customer reads your email and thinks, that's me, how do they know that? They're yours. Taylor has Swifties. They're a fandom, not a customer list. So here's your challenge. What would it take for your customers to identify as something bigger? Is it the Vineyard Inner Circle or the Barrel Society or Email Party People? Give them a name, a story, and exclusive access. Then watch your community transform. Here's what to do with what you know. First, name your next era. Give your next release a theme and an emotion. Next, hide Easter eggs in your marketing and reward those who find them. Third, reclaim or reimagine an older story with fresh design and copy. And finally, build a fandom. Give your subscribers an identity. Taylor has the charts. We've got the cellar. So here's your challenge. What would your winery era be called right now? Drop it in the comments. I'll pick a few favorites to turn into mock-ups in a future video. Because we might not all be Taylor Swift. Well, none of us are Taylor Swift. Unless Taylor's watching, and then hi. But we can definitely write our own chart-topping stories. This showgirl is signing off for now, but that doesn't mean I'm not addicted to the hustle. Until the next drop, keep pressing send on your next best email. Oh, hey, you're still watching. So that means I really want your feedback. Should we turn this into a full wines version series? Like one marketing lesson from a different Taylor song every time? Like, could be pretty fun. And if you like that idea, tell me below, which track should we start with?